South Central Railway now comprises the Secunderabad, Hyderabad, and Nanded divisions, spanning 3,605 route kilometers. Despite this major structural transition, the zone has maintained its operational efficiency and continued to deliver commendable performance. Enhancing passenger amenities continues to be a key priority for the zone. Under the Amrit Bharat station scheme, redevelopment works are progressing steadily across the identified stations. During July 2026, the redeveloped high-tech city Amrit station was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister, taking the total number of Amrit stations inaugurated in the zone to 4. In addition, a new halt station by name Komarvalli Punyakshetram was inaugurated for the convenience of pilgrims visiting the Komarvalli temple. With the support and teamwork of every member of the SCR family, I am confident that the zone will make steady progress and contribute meaningfully to the growth of Indian Railways and the nation. Let us work together with commitment and take South Central Railway to greater heights. Jai Hind.
Very good, Verita.